everyone, myself Monika D from 9th B. Now I am going to do presentation on the chapter Western Religions. Let's start. Judaism, Zoroastrianism, Christianity, Islam are the important religions of this world, and these religions are born in Western Asia and they are also known as Semitic religions. Semitic religions means most commonly refers to Abrahamic religions including Judaism, Christianity and Islam. Zoroastrianism, Christianity, Islam and Judaism are known as religions. There will be a creator of this earth, right? The creator of this earth revealed the meaning of religions, that is the path of truth to prophets, and prophets means teachers, hence prophets. Holy scriptures means a book which is related to a particular religion. For example, Christianity Bible, Hindu Bhagavad Gita, Islam Quran. These prophets, holy scriptures and tenets means principle. These all qualities play a main important role in these religions and they develop these religions. Let's know about Judaism. Judaism is a set of rules. As we know that a religion will be containing some rules and regulations. A religious community is one which should believe in only one God, and he should believe in the messenger of God. Messenger of God means, for example, when we go to Hindu temples, there will be a priest there to make puja for the God. So he is known as the messenger of God there. So similarly in Judaism there will be a messenger of God. So we should believe in them. A holy book will be written by the messenger of God, and a community should follow do's and don'ts which are given by the messenger. Do's means something which we have to do, and don'ts means something which we don't have to do. So we should follow all those do's and don'ts which are given by the messenger. And mass prayer will be conducted in a specific place. Mass prayer means people getting together in one place for praying purpose. So we should conduct in a specific place. And Judaism is a religion. As we know that Judaism is also one of our religions, and their followers are called Jews. Hebrew is their language, and Abraham was the forefather of this religion. Forefather means ancestor, elderly ones who was living in the past. He is known as the forefather of this religion, and Moses are their messengers, and Abraham is the founder of this religion. Thank you.